Built in the 8th century under King Krishna of the Rashtrakuta dynasty, the Kailasa temple is an ancient marvel of devotion, artistry, and engineering that seems almost superhuman. Its elaborate carvings and grand scale have sparked a fascinating debate. Was this colossal structure really built with the primitive tools of the age, or does it show evidence of intervention by an advanced civilization, possibly from beyond our world? Nestled in the basaltic hills of Maharashtra, the Ellora Caves complex, spanning from 600 to 1000 AD, showcases a remarkable blend of Buddhist, Hindu, and Jain heritage. Among the caves, Cave 16, famously known as the Kailasa Temple, stands as the site's most remarkable achievement. Historically known as Veral, its strategic position along ancient north-south trade routes significantly contributed to its development. The Kailasa Temple, the world's largest monolithic rock excavation, demonstrates the advanced engineering and architectural prowess of the 8th century. Instead of being constructed, this temple was intricately carved from a single mass of rock, highlighting the meticulous planning and execution that reflect the extraordinary capabilities of its creators. Under the patronage of King Krishna I of the Rashtrakuta dynasty, the temple was commissioned around the mid-8th century. King Krishna I, also known as Krishna Ranaranga, embarked on this ambitious project to emulate the sacred Mount Kailash, the mythological abode of Lord Shiva. The temple not only served as a place of worship but also as a demonstration of the power and artistic aspiration of the Rashtrakutas. During a period of British colonial expansion in India, British officers often ventured on expeditions for leisure and exploration. It was during one such excursion that the lush overgrown vegetation of the Maharashtra region, which had concealed the Ellora Caves for centuries, finally gave way to one of the most significant archaeological discoveries in India. In 1819, Captain John Smith and his party accidentally stumbled upon caves that had remained untouched and perfectly preserved, like a time capsule. This discovery by Captain Smith was more than just finding a lost site. It revealed the richness and antiquity of India's civilization, which had flourished long before European powers arrived. As Smith entered the caves, he was met with the grandeur of India's past, showcasing an intact cultural heritage that highlighted its historical depth and complexity. However, Captain Smith left behind more than just the memory of his discovery. In what is now viewed as an act of historical vandalism, he inscribed his name and the date on a pillar inside Cave 10. At the time, such actions were common among explorers who often left their marks as records of their presence. This graffiti, though frowned upon today, provided a tangible record marking the European discovery of the site and has since become a point of contention in discussions about heritage preservation versus the historical markers of colonial exploration. Following this accidental discovery, there was a renewed interest in the Ellora Caves, leading to more systematic explorations and excavations. The Archaeological Survey of India, established in 1861, took on the mammoth task of excavating and preserving these ancient sites. Their efforts were crucial in maintaining the structural integrity and historical accuracy of the caves as they faced the dual pressures of time and increasing tourism. Detailed studies and documentation efforts were spearheaded by early explorers and scholars like James Burgess and later Ghulam Yazdani. Their meticulous work in cataloging the sculptures, iconography, and architectural styles has been compiled into extensive reports and books, which remain invaluable resources for Indological studies. Today, this comprehensive documentation helps ensure that the Ellora Caves, including the magnificent Kailasa Temple, continue to be understood and appreciated not just as monuments but as gateways to India's illustrious past. The Kailasa Temple, also known as Cave 16 at the Ellora Caves, truly stands as a testament to the ancient mastery of rock-cut architecture. This stunning structure isn't just a testament to grandeur but also to a unique construction methodology that melds religious devotion with unmatched craftsmanship. Unlike traditional buildings constructed from the ground up, this temple was carved directly out of a single mass of rock, a process that required not only extreme labor but also precise planning. The effort to remove approximately 200,000 tons of rock from the site underscores the monumental human endeavor that went into its creation, likely involving hundreds if not thousands of laborers across several generations. Ancient cultures all around the world preserved a memory of a high civilization of prehistory. Symbolically, the temple reflects Mount Kailash, the mythical home of Lord Shiva, hinting that the architects aimed to craft a divine sanctuary on earth. This lofty goal is seen not only in the temple's grand scale but also in its intricate multi-story design, showcasing a unique vertical expansion in rock-cut architecture. Each floor is richly decorated with carvings and statues that vividly depict stories from Hindu mythology, particularly those of Lord Shiva, enhancing the temple's religious and aesthetic allure. Comparing the Kailasa temple to the ancient city of Petra in Jordan highlights its unique features. While Petra is renowned for its impressive facade carved into rock faces, the Kailasa temple goes a step further. It is not just a facade but a complete excavation with intricate vertical carvings that make its interiors as spectacular as its exteriors. Unlike Petra's relatively plain interiors, the Kailasa temple is elaborately detailed with entire floors, columns, and ceilings that are ornately decorated to reflect Hindu religious themes. The engineering behind the Kailasa temple also addresses some significant challenges, such as maintaining structural integrity while removing massive volumes of rock. The architects and engineers employed their deep understanding of geology and engineering to ensure the stability and durability of the remaining structures. They even incorporated an ingenious drainage system to prevent water accumulation and erosion during the region's heavy monsoon seasons. Moreover, strategic placements of openings and alignments within the temple structure allow natural light to flood its interiors, enhancing the spiritual and aesthetic experience for visitors. The layout also facilitates the circulation of air and movement of devotees, crucial during religious ceremonies. These intriguing aspects of the Kailasa temple, combined with the mysteries surrounding its construction, have fueled various theories about its origins and the techniques used in its elaborate design. From theories suggesting extraterrestrial influence to speculations about advanced ancient technologies or a network of secret chambers, the temple continues to be a subject of fascination and scholarly debate. I think the dating of quite a number of megalithic sites needs to be reconsidered. These discussions not only celebrate the architectural genius of the temple's creators but also deepen our appreciation for this ancient marvel. Exploring the mysteries of the Kailasa temple at a more refined level reveals a range of fascinating theories that try to explain its incredible construction. One such theory suggests that the technology and precision required for its creation in the 8th century might hint at extraterrestrial influence or the use of advanced ancient technology that has since been lost. While this idea captivates the imagination, most scholars and archaeologists believe that the temple's construction was well within the capabilities of human ingenuity at the time, pointing to similar rock-cutting techniques used across India long before the temple was built. The Kailasa temple also sparks interest with theories of hidden tunnels and chambers beneath its complex. According to local lore and speculative accounts, these passages might have functioned for religious rituals or as escape routes during times of conflict. However, archaeological surveys have not substantiated these claims fully, partly due to the challenging rocky landscape, which makes an extensive network improbable. Additionally, another theory suggests that the temple's alignment with celestial bodies holds significance. Some believe that the temple, like many ancient structures, was designed in alignment with certain stars or planets to harness cosmic energies during significant astronomical events such as solstices and equinoxes. While there are notable celestial alignments at other ancient sites that lend some support to this theory, concrete evidence linking the Kailasa temple's orientation with celestial events remains elusive. As these theories continue to pique curiosity and scholarly debate, the significance of preserving such a monumental site has never been clearer. The Ellora Caves, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are currently undergoing extensive preservation initiatives, with a special emphasis on safeguarding the Kailasa temple. These efforts aim to shield the site's intricate carvings and grand structures from natural wear and the effects of contemporary tourism. This ensures that future generations can continue to admire and cherish this ancient wonder. Thank you for watching another episode of Just Discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on more exciting content. See you next time.